You're watching the Crypto Skills YouTube channel.
Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all your support. I really wouldn't be doing this without you guys, so thank you. Alright, let's get this started. Alright, let's take a look at Bitcoin here. This is what it's done over the past couple months. You can see it crested about 19,000 back in mid-December, and it's been a downhill battle ever since. It's really rough. Alright, this is what people are referring to as a bloodbath, or the Great Depression of cryptocurrencies. Personally, I'm not worried about it. I just think that the market is adjusting itself, and therefore it's bringing it back down to a level where it possibly should be at. There's a lot of what we call big fish or whales that got into cryptocurrency, buying and selling, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars at a time, and that had a direct influence on the market. You can definitely see that, not this chart exactly, but there are multiple charts out there that can show you similarities in the amount dropped at any given time. So yeah, we do think that there are some big fish out there, some whales that are definitely manipulating the market. But let's take a look at the numbers, shall we? Alright, so the crypto market has basically shed off 600 billion US dollars in the past 3 months. That's astonishing. $600 billion, okay? So again, people getting out of the market, people scared, people selling off. I look at this as a buying opportunity. All right, anybody that's ever been in the stock market, or any stock market brokers from past 20, 30 years, they will always say when the market is down, it's the time to buy. We'll go over some of the numbers later. I'll show you what I'm currently invested in. But yeah, I think right now is definitely the time to buy if you're thinking about getting into the cryptocurrency markets. Okay. Here's some of the numbers, some of the worst performing coins. Okay, so you have Einsteinium went from $2.83 down to 11 cents per coin in just 100 days. BitConnect, we've all heard of BitConnect. I pushed it for a little bit. Again, I apologize for that. Lost quite a fortune, but you know what? It's okay. You live and learn, and you're not going to make any money in this segment if you don't risk money. So appreciate that, you guys, for supporting me on that. And hey, didn't really get anybody involved in it, so it's okay. It was just basically a loss on my end, so totally okay with that. Hey, so BitConnect basically went from $340 a coin on its own trading platform down to basically nothing. I think it's around 70 cents, 60 cents per coin right now. Hey, if you have some money to spare, might as well throw something into that, because it's either going to plummet or it's going to go back up a little bit. It's not going to be a coin you're going to make a killing off of because of it being one of the largest Ponzi schemes in history. But if you're looking to make a quick buck, it may go back up here in a little bit. They have a new coin out called BitConnect X. I'm not going to buy it. I don't want to do any business with BitConnect ever again. So if you choose to, feel free. So Cardano, right? ADA. They're down 89% in just 80 days. Verge is another one. It's pretty much gone. It's hovering around in the teens of cents right now. Bitcoin's another one. It's down 88%. Digibyte also down approximately 88% in the last 80 days. And Ripple's currently down 87% in the last 85 days. Okay, so what do these numbers mean? Alright, Ripple, for example, is a good coin. I have a lot of faith in Ripple. They've got a good payment system. They're doing some big things. definitely take a look at Ripple. Their short tracker is XRP. Picked up a lot of that when it was around 15, 17 cents a coin. Right now, Ripple is trading at $0.49 per coin, roughly. It's not bad. All right, that's not bad, you guys. I mean, it was up around the $2-3 mark at one point, so it's gonna go back up. You know, it always does. If you can tell by this scale right here, this is higher than in here. Okay, so and this is higher than in here. So what it's gonna do? It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. It's gonna stay higher than it was. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down, and that's just the way the market works. All right, Ripple's got some really good things going on right now. They a lot of payment system headway that they've made. They've also been working on. They linked up with one of the banks. I know that. That's really big. Okay. Definitely take a look at Ripple. I think they're doing some big things. Good coin to look at. All right. Let's see. So enough with the bad. We all know the market's bad. We all know there's a bloodbath going on, but there's no reason to beat the market up, okay? There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that's happening that's really good. All right, TRX is another one. I've got a lot of faith in TRX right now. Really cheap coin, and I highly recommend taking a look at TRX or Tron. It's a really good coin, all right? It's not expensive. You guys can check it out. So if anything, I'd say, you know, we got Ripple, Tron, always for Bitcoin, a lot of coins, and I'll show you what I'm currently invested in, and you guys can, you know, do a little research on your own. But yeah, look at Tron. Tron's not doing too bad. I mean, they were doing nothing for the longest time, and they shot up almost 30 cents a coin. They're hovering right now about 8 cents a coin. No big deal. Or 3 cents a coin. Saying right now they're about 3 cents a coin, so disregard. I was reading the Bitcoin price. So 3 cents a coin for Tron. Alright, that's really good. IOTA's a good one. They're working on internet. Okay, so Ripple has developed a person-to-person transaction system for cryptocurrencies. They've linked up with a bank. They just gave away approximately $29 million in cryptocurrency to public schools, according to CNBC. That's big. All right, so they are a player in the cryptocurrency market, in my opinion. They are here to stay, and they are making moves. Some other things going on. So in Russia, in Kaliningrad, their hotel is now accepting cryptocurrency as payment for hotel rooms. So if cryptocurrency was completely going under, or you know, if it's gonna collapse, you know, these places wouldn't be doing this. In my mind, what's happening is you've got these head honchos in the background that are constantly dogging the crypto market to bring the market down. They're manipulating the market in favor of themselves as they acquire all these coins, right? Like, think about it. If there's a car on the market and your buddy wants it, all you got to do is go behind him, go to the guy selling the car and say, you know what, man, those cars aren't very good. You know, you're offering $5,000. I'll give you $3,000. And he's like, okay, well, you know, the lowest I'll go is $3,800. You just saved your buddy $1,200 because you dogged the person's product. That's basically what's happening with the market right now with cryptocurrency. They're dogging the market, and it's destroying the prices, causing people to pull their money out. And as the price drops, all of these big wigs that have millions of dollars, billions of dollars are coming in. They're buying a lot of coins, and they're not doing it all at once. They're doing it strategically so you can't see it. They're making lots of little purchases, and they're cornering the market. And what's going to happen is when these banks acquire these coins, and they go online and fully start promoting these coins, they are going to then own hundreds of thousands of these coins and own, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of these coins. So I think that's what's going on right now with that. I could be wrong, that's a personal opinion, but I think that's probably what's going on right now, is big banking and governments saw how powerful cryptocurrency was getting, and they got scared. And so they put out all these, ads out there and all these slander campaigns to talk about how bad cryptocurrency was. All right, so hey, personal opinion, don't put too much into it. Another thing is, India. I have a lot of followers from India. India, how you guys doing? Right? Thank you for all your help. Thank you for, following the channel, following along, and all you guys and girls that comment on my posts, on my videos, give me feedback. I really appreciate that. You guys are, at the forefront of, my followers, and I don't know what to say. Thank you. I'll keep making these videos. Please keep commenting. Add a like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about it, and I'll keep doing these videos. Hopefully more often than every 3 months. But yeah, so yeah, that's what's going on. There's a lot of stuff going on now. But India is. Let's get back to India. India has a lot of poverty. It does. It's an up and coming country, and it's going to be huge, and it is huge, and it is amazing if you've ever been there, but the poverty level is so high, and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is allowing people to exchange money to and from each other instantly without banks, so fast that it's editing the poverty level just a little bit, just ever so slightly. And that's just some of the good things you see in cryptocurrency that you don't get to see very often, is all these good things, behind the scenes. People are always talking about, oh, this coin's good, this coin. Have you ever done the research on these coins? I mean, most people haven't. But once you do, you start seeing that a lot of these coins, a lot of these, cryptocurrencies they're competing for a market. And a lot of them are trying to do extremely good things. And it's the things you don't see that I think that, it doesn't make the news. But, so we talked about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Next is taxes. So let's definitely talk about taxes, everybody. If you are in the United States, pay your taxes on cryptocurrency, okay? Coinbase gave away 75,000 names and personal information to people, to the IRS, so they can track the cryptocurrency. So if you got an account with Coinbase, go ahead and figure out how to pay your taxes and get those things taken care of. All my taxes are done, thankfully, but yeah, just definitely think about it, okay? Because in extreme cases, failure to report your transactions can result up to $250,000 in fines and/or prison time. So make sure you take a look at that. All right, so the first quarter of 2018, kind of like a recap, it lost 58% of its market value. 58%. And again, we talked about this, roughly $600 billion. It's crazy. All right, Google. Let's talk about Google real quick. Google got so sick of its cryptocurrency ads that it basically banned them. You probably won't see those anymore because Google basically banned cryptocurrency ads extensions from Google. It's there were so many people flooding the market with ads for cryptocurrency. It just got too much, so they stopped that. Thailand is currently outlining plans for their tax on cryptocurrency assets, so something to look out for over there in Thailand. South America is also announcing some cryptocurrency tax plans that they're going to have posted by June, so something else to look at. But yeah, guys, hey, that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to get back in touch with you guys. Again, right after this, I'll show you the coins that I currently have and some of the losses and gains. But check this out right here. This is the Crypto Skills website. It's cryptoskills.us, not .com. Check it out. It's cryptoskills with a Z.us. Okay, so this is the website. Again, this is just Crypto Skills is just my personal venture in cryptocurrency. All right, so just that's why you guys watch the channel. You're just checking out what I'm doing, seeing my growth, seeing the success of cryptocurrency, as I do talk about some of these coins coming out and the benefits of them, and we're going to get more into that in the next couple videos about individual coins and what those coins purposes are. Okay, so we'll get into that later in some future videos, but I just want to show you guys the website. I got the website up and running. I think it looks great, so check it out. I got me a about me section on there. You can read more about me by clicking the read more. Go ahead and fill out your name and email. Send me a message. All right, get on the newsletter. All right, some of the blog stuff going on for the members, and then also we have live feeds, everybody. All right, so if you want to keep up to date with your current coins, you can always come over to cryptoskills.us and check out the live feeds. All right, give me a shout out for any coins you want to see added on there. I can go ahead and add them on there, especially for any of you members or anything. It's free to join. It doesn't cost anything. I'm not going to constantly sell you on anything or anything like that. It's not my pitch. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get the cryptocurrency entrepreneurs out there to connect. That's my goal, right? And that's why I'm doing this, is to connect with you all. So yeah, so check out the website. It's up, it's running. I think it's doing pretty good. So all my EoBot fans, okay, remember EoBot when I was in the hundreds of thousands of gigahash? So remember, we cashed it all out and we sold it. All right, and we put that into, unfortunately, some other stuff, but we won't talk about that. But currently, this is what I'm doing. In the U.S., EoBot is not allowed to mine. You are not allowed to mine on EoBot anymore if you're a U.S. customer. So currently what I've done is I've just taken the cash that I currently have with this, and I still have some CureCoin or some cloud folding, and that is turning into CureCoin. So every time I get some CureCoin, I basically just sell it and buy another coin. Currently I'm working on Cardano and Bitcoin with this. I have a lot of faith in those two going up, so definitely put a lot into Bitcoin on my EoBot. It's so cheap. It's, what is that, 2/100ths of a dollar? Come on. So that's something to think about. All right. So I mean, you can buy thousands of those coins of Bitcoin right now. It's cheap. It's probably gonna go up. I mean, you could mine that, whatever you want to do. It's gonna go up. It's gotta go up. It's got a good backing, right? So it uses kryptonite, which typically takes computer power and not typical mining software like from Bitmain or your ant miners or anything like that. This typically takes graphics cards. Okay, and yeah, I have a lot of faith in this as a coin. I think it's going to go up. So yeah, so there's the Bitcoin, and the Cardano, of course, is a newly added coin to EoBot. So take a look at that. All right.